Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a survival tip that will keep you alive. It's simple, it's easy, and let's talk about it now. Every time I go hiking in my backpack, where it's long distance hiking or out here in the Shenandoah National Park, even if I'm going for a day hike, or even if it's something small and I carry enough food and water for the trip, you never know, you could get in trouble. Even if it's an overnight trip and you're out tent camping, you hang up your food bag, something happens, something goes wrong, animal got a hold of it, bear got a hold of it, raccoons, rats, and then all of a sudden you're without food and you have a couple days to hike back. Well, you're in trouble. You don't have no food. Yeah, you can learn about edibles and eating mushrooms and to get yourself back. But a simple tip and a simple trick, but a quick little good advice to give, are these right here, bouillon cubes. Always keep about 3 bouillon cubes on you at all times. And they're lightweight. They weigh nothing. That's it. That's one nourishing meal right there. Keep it in your first aid kit. You can keep all 3 or stash them, a handful of them, whatever you want. But I always keep the bouillon cubes away from my food bag, because if something ever is to happen and I lose my food bag, something happens, and it can, you still have a nourishing meal to keep you alive until you get back into town, get back into your vehicle, to your trailhead, or get back, and it'll get you out of trouble. It's simple, it's easy. I stash away 3 in my first aid kit at all times. These little things right here are a must to have. It's just a must. I think they're, I don't know, invented in England or France or somewhere over in Europe. And they're plentiful everywhere. You know, every grocery store in the world, you can find them. It's a must to add to your pack. Only made from dehydrated vegetables, stock, meat. It's got a little bit of sodium in them. Some of them have a lot of sodium, especially the chicken ones. But maybe something that you need to get yourself out of trouble. Look at this area that I just walked into. Look how pretty that is. It's nice. It's a no-brainer. Throw it in your first aid kit. You never know when you may need them. Tell you the truth, probably keep them in there for a long period of time, forget that they're there. Could go hiking, walk up into somebody that is in trouble. Hypothermia. Could be any kind of emergency where somebody needs some nourishment. So all you do is boil up 2 cups of water. And once you add the cube, you crush it into the boiling water. Let it work its way in, and as fast as that, you have a meal. Tell you the truth, worst case scenario, you were long distance hiking, you had no food, you could probably survive on 1 bouillon cube a day till you got yourself out of trouble. Never know. I think you can get a little pack or a little jar of them for under $2. All those meals for under $2, something that can keep you alive. It's probably the best tip, cheapest tip that I could give you. I've been doing it for years. So people ask me to go ahead and put some of these little things that a lot of veteran hikers, Appalachian Trail hikers, PCT hikers, these are things that we do automatically. We're just passing it on. Taking it a step further, you can keep it in your vehicle as well too. A lot of places get stuck in the snow, stuck out in the middle of nowhere, pull up some water, you have food right there. Put some in your glove box. Good to have. Doesn't need to be your main meal. Definitely keep them for rainy days. But that simple little trick will keep you alive. Okay, we're gonna have some other tips and tricks coming. Just some things that you may already know. Some may be new to new people. I know we have a lot of new subscribers and new hikers. A lot of new Appalachian Trail hikers that are hiking in the 2022 season coming up. Maybe we can pass on some advice and then share on the forum. Once again, I appreciate everybody's support to this channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.